Hi friends, welcome to TechnoBinge. Did you know the world generates about 2.5 quintillion bytes of data every day? That's 1000 petabytes. But how do we make sense of all the data and create value from it? Well, that's where data analytics comes in. Raw data, whether it's in the form of text, tables, images, videos, or audio, doesn't hold much value on its own. But with the right techniques and tools, you can extract powerful insights from it. You can find patterns, trends, and correlations that help you make smarter decisions. This process is called data analytics. Take e-commerce platforms like Amazon or Flipkart, for example. They use data analytics to understand customers' behavior, personalize your shopping experience, and optimize their marketing campaigns. By analyzing your preferences, purchase history, and browsing habits, they can recommend products you are most likely to buy and target specific customer groups and ultimately improve customer satisfaction. Even banks use data analytics. They analyze your transaction history and credit score to tailor their offerings, detect potential fraud, and assess whether you are not eligible for a loan or not. At its core, data analytics is built on algebra and statistics. There are four main types of analytics: descriptive, diagnostic, prescriptive, predictive. Let's break them down. Descriptive analytics, or the what happened stage, focuses on identifying trends and relationships based on current and historical data. For example, your OTT platforms like Netflix or Amazon Prime use this to figure out which shows or movies are trending and push them to your home screen. Diagnostic analytics, or why did this happen, digs deeper into the data to understand the cause behind trends and relationships. Imagine a clothing company using it to discover why certain products are being returned. These insights help them reduce customer attrition. Predictive analytics, or what might happen, uses historical data to forecast future events. Businesses often use it for things like sales, forecasting, leveraging statistical models and machine learning algorithms to guide their decisions. Prescriptive analytics, or what should you do next, gives actionable recommendations based on the data. Machine learning plays a key role here. For example, whether making investment decisions, algorithms can weigh risk and offer suggestions. Even YouTube home feed is a form of prescriptive analytics in action. There are plenty of tools that professionals use to make sense of complex data and present in a way that is easy to understand. Some of the most common ones are Microsoft Excel for basic analysis and visualization, Python or R for advanced statistical analysis and machine learning, Tableau or Power BI for creating interactive dashboards and visualization. That is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the content and learned something new. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and keep watching. Till then, bye bye.